Hello everyone and welcome back to Ataria News Channel. Today we are going to talk about something really exciting in the world of media technology, and that is the brand new release of FFmpeg 8, also known as Huffman. Now, if you've never heard of FFmpeg before, don't worry because I'll explain everything in simple language. FFmpeg is basically a free tool that helps you handle video and audio files. Think of it like a Swiss Army knife for your media. It can convert videos from one format to another. It can record and stream, and it can even help you create subtitles or compress files so they take up less space. It can convert videos from one format to another, it can record and stream, and it can even help you create subtitles or compress files so they take up less space. The best part is that it works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. And once you get a little familiar with it, you can do some very powerful things with just a few commands. Now let's talk about what's new in FFmpeg 8 and why it matters. The developers have made the program faster than ever, especially if you have a modern computer with the latest processors. They also added something called Vulkan acceleration, which means if you have a strong graphics card, FFmpeg can use it to speed up video tasks, including working with new AV1 video format that is becoming more popular every day. Another exciting feature is the integration of Whisper, which is an AI-powered speech-to-text system. In simple words, this lets you automatically turn spoken words in your videos into text, which is perfect if you want to create captions or subtitles without doing all the typing yourself. FFmpeg 8 also makes live streaming smoother by reducing delays, which is a big deal if you're streaming games or events. On top of that, it supports even more video and audio formats, including special ones like ProRes RAW and VP9 with Vulkan, giving creators more flexibility. So why should you care about this update? Well, if you make videos, record podcasts, stream content, or even if you just need to convert your media files, FFmpeg 8 gives you more speed, more features, and more control, and all for free. It may look intimidating at first because it works mostly through commands instead of buttons, but once you try it, you'll realize how powerful and useful it really is. That's a quick beginner's overview of FFmpeg 8, and I hope this makes it a little less scary if you're just starting out. If you're interested in trying it yourself, I put together a simple step-by-step setup guide, and you will find that in the description box below this video. Give it a try and see how it works for you. And as always, if this video helped you, don't forget to like it, and yes, don't forget to subscribe to Ataria News Channel for more beginner-friendly tech updates. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.